Hi everyone and welcome back to Decor Art. When we design a room, we often think about the furniture and the wall color first. But there is one element that can completely change the atmosphere of a space in an instant, the curtain. Interior designer often call curtains the jewelry of a room. They add texture, control the light, provide privacy, and help to frame your window like piece of art. But choosing the right curtain is about more than just picking a color you like. It's about the fabric, length, and even how high you hang them. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the most beautiful and modern curtain design to inspire your home. I will also share some professional hacks on how to make your window look larger and answer the most common question about curtain styling. Let's go started. The first thing to consider is the function of your curtain. Ask yourself what is the main purpose of this room. If it's a bedroom, you probably want a blackout curtain. They are made with heavy thick fabric that block out almost 100% of the sunlight, which is perfect for a good night's sleep. On the other hand, if you're decorating a living room or a dining area where you want a lot of natural light, sheer curtains are a wonderful choice. Sheers are made of light transparent fabric like lace or thin polyester. They diffuse the sunlight, giving the room a soft, dreamy glow while still providing a bit of privacy during the day. Many designers love to use double rod system, where you are have sheers underneath for the daytime and heavier drapes on the top for the evening. This gives you the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about fabric. The material you choose dictates how the curtain hang and how long it will last. Linen is a very popular choice right now for relaxed organic look. It has beautiful neutral textures that work perfectly in farmhouse or coastal style home. However, linen can wrinkle easily, so it's best for casual vibe. If you want something more formal and more luxury, velvet is the king of certain fabric. Velvet is heavy, hang beautifully, and add rich, sophisticated feel to any room. It's also great for soundproofing and keeping heat inside during the winter. For more practical and affordable option, cotton and polyester blend are durable, easy to wash, and come in endless variety of colors and patterns. One of the most important rules in interior design is how to hang your curtain. This is where most people make big mistake, and a common error is the hanging curtain rod right at the top of the window frame. This makes window and the whole room feel smaller. The professional secret is to hang your curtain high and wide. Try to mount the rod at least 6 to 10 inches above the window frame or even closer to the ceiling. This throws the eye upward and make your ceiling feel much taller. Also make the rod wider than the window itself, about 8 to 12 inches on each side. This allows the curtain to set it against the wall and when they are open, which makes the window look much larger and lets in the maximum amount of light. When it comes to length, you have the main styles to choose from. The first is the hover or float look, where the curtain set about half an inch above the floor. This is very modern, clean, and practical because it's easy to vacuum around them. The second is the kiss look, where the fabric just barely touches the floor. This is very elegant and precious style that work in almost any room. The third is the paddle look, where the curtains are several inches longer than the floor, allowing the fabric to gather or paddle at the bottom. It is a very romantic and traditional style that looks amazing with heavy fabric like velvet or silk, but it does require more maintenance to keep the bottom of the curtain clean. Now let's talk about colors and patterns. Your curtain can either blend in or stand out. If you want a calm and peaceful room, choose the curtain or similar shade to your walls. This creates a seamless, minimalized look that makes a room feel larger. If you want your curtain to be a statement piece, go for a bold color or large-scale patterns. Floral prints, geometric shapes, and classic strips are all great ways to add personality to a room. A good tip is to match the color of your curtain to another element in the room, like your rug, your throw pillow, or piece of artwork. This ties the whole design together and make it feel professional. Now let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions about curtain. A question I got all the time is, should my curtain match my sofa? They don't have to match exactly, but they should coordinate if you have a piecey patterned sofa. It's best to choose solid colored curtain if your sofa is a plain neutral color. You can have a lot of fun with patterned curtain. Another common question is, what about small room? Well, heavy curtain makes them feel cramped. In a small room, it's best to stick to the light color, lightweight fabric like linen or cotton. If you use color that's very close to your wall color, the curtain won't break up the space, which helps the room feel more open. Many people also ask about curtain headers, which is the way the top of the curtain is attached to the rod. Grommet tops, the one with metal ring, are very easy to slide and give a modern casual look. French plates headers are more traditional and formal, creating a beautiful permanent fold in the fabric. S-fold or ripple fold curtains are a huge trend in modern homes. They use a special track that keeps the curtain in a perfect shape, giving a very sleek and clean appearance that look like a high-end hotel. That keep the curtain in a perfect shape, giving a very sleek and clean appearance that look like a high-end hotel. Another frequent question is, how do I choose the right rod? Don't forget about the hardware is part of the design. A thin black metal rod is perfect for modern or industrial look. A thick wooden rod with decorative finals at the end work better for traditional or rustic home. If you want a very minimalized look, you can use a hidden track mounted inside the ceiling, which makes the curtain look like they are floating. Lastly, let's talk about maintenance. A curtain can collect a lot of dust over time. It's a good idea to vacuum your curtain once a month using a brush attachment. Most sheer and cotton curtain can be machine washed on a gentle cycle, but heavy velvet or silk drapes usually need to be dry clean. Keeping your curtain clean not only makes them look better, but also keeps them last for many years. I hope these tips and the beautiful design we have seen today gave you some great inspiration for your own home. Curtains are truly the final layers that make a house feel like a home. They add that soft, cozy feeling that turns a cold room into warm sanctuary. Take your time to find the right fabric and color, and remember the high and the wide rule. Which of the curtain style we saw today was your favorite? Do you prefer the light and the airy look of sheers or the dramatic luxury of velvet drapes? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed looking at this design, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to Decor Art for more home design inspiration, windows, treatment tips, and interior trends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.